Welcome to the Studs Downtown Helmet Part Replacement video. In this step-by-step video, you will learn how to replace the parts in your helmet. Let's begin. Visor Mechanism Replacement. To open the visor mechanism, rotate the visor screw anti-clockwise and gently pull it out. Then pull out the base plate. Now, pull out the visor from the mechanism. Repeat the process on the other side. Now, to remove the visor mechanism, gently pull out the visor mechanism from its space. Keep all the parts safe. You will need them to reassemble the visor later. To reinstall, place the visor mechanism back in place. Finally, align your new visor inside the mechanism until it is secure. Place the base plate back in place. Tighten the visor screw. Operate your visor to see if it is working properly. Top air vent replacement. The helmet comes with replaceable top air vent. To remove the top air vent on your helmet, take a screwdriver. Align it with the upper edge of the top vent. Cover screwdriver's metallic end with soft cloth. Use the tips of your finger to take out the upper vent. Now put the vent back into its channels. Press down and ensure it fits properly in its channels. Side trim replacement. To replace the side trim in your helmet, push the cheek pad forward. Then open the side trim screws. Pull out the side trim from its space. To reinstall, put the side trim back into its channels, snap it back to its original position, and tighten both screws. Sun visor replacement. To replace the sun visor, first open the front visor. Then push the sun visor button to open it. The sun visor is attached to its mechanism. Now, gently hold the sun visor from both ends and carefully pull it outward from the edges to remove it. Carefully remove the sun visor completely from the helmet. To put it back, push the sun visor inside its mechanism one by one. Place the sun visor back to its original position. Press the sun visor lock button to close. Cheek pads replacement. To remove the cheek pads, gently pull the cheek pad from the front and you will hear a click sound of the snaps opening. Then pull out the inner side of the cheek pad such that the plastic sheet comes out of the helmet. Repeat the same for the other side. Now both the cheek pads detached from the helmet. To reinstall the cheek pads back, push the plastic sheet inside first, and then snap the cheek pads back in its place. Liner replacement. The liner on the helmet can be removed for cleaning and replaced as necessary. There are the locks in the front liner in which its inserts fit in. Remove them one by one. Then, remove the plastic sheets from the sides and the back. The entire liner is removed now. You can clean or wash it and insert it back into its original position. Insert the plastic sheets back into its original position. Make sure that the front liner inserts fit into their locks. Do a final check to see whether everything is in place and operating correctly. Thank you for watching the video. For more information, visit www.studs.com or get in touch with your nearest Studs dealership.